I'm Brett Leavy, I'm a Coomeramarity from Western Queensland. I'm a virtual heritage artist and I like to make time machines. The Virtual Meanjin project is a 3D environment that I started with through shuttle mission satellite data to get the topography right. And the time frame is before the first settlers came to Brisbane. It's as best I can guesstimate and create the Brisbane before there was a tree lopped. People talk about connection reports for native title, and I thought in that there's a really good written report, but it never gets shared with the kids. So I thought if I could do something that the kids like to do, which is play games, but make it a serious game, and make it a 3D serious game, then telling these stories in that way would be the best way to impart that knowledge. I went to the herbarium lists based on that bush tucker, and I've done all the plants I could that had some plant use and as well as tool use possibilities for the local people. So if there was a route that I needed to show that I would use to carve a boomerang, I would actually show that route. I then looked at all the campsites that we knew about and put those into a 3D world, and then put all the people that I knew, the historical accounts of the right names of those people from that area. Then as a user, you go around and you meet them all. They tell you to go off and do things, which means gather water or gather bush foods or gather medicines. So it's really an accurate rendition of the arts and cultural practices of the local people. The big question is where we've been. What I've learned is that identity is key. And so this project is about that. We're trying to show identity, display it in the best possible way, optimistically. If Aboriginal kids use this, they'll get a respect for their culture, which they might not know about. And I think the other thing I'm trying to teach is that Aboriginal people aren't just in Central Australia or in Northern Territory or Arnhem Land or something like that. They're everywhere. And the vast majority of our people, the majority of them are living in capital cities and regional centres. And under those places are traditional cultural spaces that have always been that. And if we can respect that, then we're going to do very well to respect Indigenous people's place in Australia overall. So I think if people realise that we are working together, we are living together, we can move together as a group, and we can advance Indigenous people, that's what I hope could be the answer out of some of the things I'm doing in my small way.